Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change the background of any photo using the new generative AI technology in Photoshop Elements 2026. As we all know, you can generate an image using the Generate Image option, which is available in the toolbar. This is a shortcut, but there's another very cool and easy way of changing the background. Just go to Guided Edit, and then go to Special Edits and select Replace Background Guided Edit. Here, you'll see there are step-by-step instructions for changing the background. The first step is selecting the subject. I can do this with just one click. It uses AI to automatically select my subject. A pretty good selection has been made. If I want, I can modify it, but this selection looks good. Next, I can choose a background. I can use the traditional method of importing a photo, none or color, or generate, or Adobe stock, or I can click this new Generate button. As soon as I do, the prompt box will open. I can write a prompt or I can open this prompt inspiration box. Let's say, something like a field of bright, colorful, white flowers, warm lighting, soft, and peaceful atmosphere. Or, again, it can be a photo or a more artistic look. I want a photo, and I'll click on Generate. Now, it will use my prompt to generate the background. And the best part is I don't have to do anything else. It will generate the background and place it seamlessly. So you can see how easily it changes the background. And I get 4 options. Next step is, I can move it if I want, anywhere I like. Also, I can use Auto Match Color Tone to harmonize everything. And once done, I can either save it or continue editing in quick or expert mode. So, this is the new generative AI background replacement in Photoshop Elements 2026. Subscribe to our channel for more such tutorials.